Ooh. Ooh. I'm going to show you how to take the battery out. See? It's that easy. Done. 2032. No. So, there's a little notch. This side comes off secondary. This side comes off first. See that little groove right there? The little like teeth that go over this thing. So if you squeeze it, it snaps into place. Right? So I used a tool just like this, which I have in all of my links and descriptions. Right in between the crack. Again with the crack today. I don't know what's going on. Can we see that? Let's go for something darker. Here we go. We got light. See? See what snapped? That's what you're trying to do. You're trying to unsnap it. Pull the rubber out, and this guy can be used, such as this, with this, and pulled out. So it's 2032. Kaboosh! There you go. Replace it. New 2032. Push it right back with no tools. Make sure you weigh your rubber. And there you go. Put it right back. One side in. And there you go. Have some sweat with that. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share. Won't focus. Thanks for watching.